friends, let's learn today. Animals baby names, young ones. Lion, cub. Lion, young one is cub. Tiger, cub. Tiger, young one is cub. Cheetah, cheetah, cub. Cheetah, young one is cub. Bear, cub. Bear, young one is cub. Kangaroo, young one is joy. Kangaroo, joy. Fox, fox, pup, kid. Fox, young one is pup, kid. Wolf, wolf, young one is pup, cub. Zebra, foal, foal. Zebra, young one is foal, foal. Giraffe, giraffe, calf. Giraffe, young one is calf. Deer, deer, fawn. Deer, young one is fawn. Elephant, elephant, calf. Elephant, young one is calf. Horse, foal. Horse, young one is foal. Cat, kitten. Dog, pup, puppy. Calf, camel, calf. Buffalo, calf. Rabbit, rabbit. Bunny, kit. Pig, piglet. Sheep, lamb. Goat, kid. Monkey, monkey infant. Donkey, foal. Swan, swan, cygnet. Hen, chicks. Duck, duckling. Penguin, chick. Butterfly, caterpillar. Butterfly, young one is caterpillar. Fish, fry. Owl, owlet. Spider, spiderling. Crane, chick. Crane, young one is chick. Crow, crow, young one is chick. Peacock, peacock, young one is pigeon. Bee, bee, fry. Bee, young one is fry. Crocodile, crocodile, young one is hatchling. Goose, gosling. Ant, larva. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.